boats on the Chicago River. We're right next to the Wabash Bridge, and the river takes a little kink here, and I am watching the boats go up and down the river. I'm facing west. Behind me and behind you is the outlet to Lake Michigan. And here is a Chicago taxi cab. Yes, that's a Chicago taxi cab. A water taxi cab, not one with four wheels. It has a propeller. You can't see the propeller. It's upside down. There are very few commercial boats that come by here now. It's all for recreation, and it's very pretty. Okay, I'm going to turn around, and I'm going to show you the river from the other side. That's the base of Trump Tower. And that's the base of the Wrigley Building, and you can see the Chicago taxi. It's going to dock just west of the Wrigley Building. Here is the Wrigley Building. There you go. And there's an electric boat over there. And I don't know what the boat to the left is. Viewers left. So I will examine it later, but it won't be in the oral comments that are attached to this little video. Ah, there it is. It's righted itself. Okay. Now I'm going to go back, 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 back. Oh, let's go up and see part of the Trump Tower. The Trump Tower is so high that it's very, very, very high. There's Trump Tower, a magnificent building. And here we're going down, back, down the Trump Tower, down, 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 down to the river, and we're going to go back looking west on the river. There we go. Oh, and before we end, we're going to go look at Marina City, because that's where I live, and it's iconic. There we go. There's the East and the West Tower. The East Tower is closer to you. The West Tower is further away. That's the Wabash Street Bridge, and then in the background you can see the State Street Bridge. Here we go, and I think I'll end it right here. May the 22nd, 2016. A beautiful Sunday in Chicago.